Hi everyone, welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1967 Plymouth Belvedere. Really cool car, guys. If you're a veteran of my videos, watched me over the years, a buddy of mine named Lee is the one who built this car. Doggone it, I probably bought, I don't know, 7 or 8 cars over the years from Lee. He does about 1 car a year. He always sells it to me. He and I have, we share the love for the 67 body style. Both of our favorite cars are the 67 GTXs. But he builds a car a year, kind of plays with it, and then he just sells it to me. But slick car, good solid Virginia body. This is like, it is a body up restoration that's been done for, 6 months. It's the car, the drivetrain only has a couple hundred miles on it. The paint on this car is older. I think he said it's about a 10-year-old paint job. But the drivetrain, the front suspension, that's what he does. He goes through all that stuff, plays with it, and but man, it's a good car. It's got a mild built 3D3 underneath the hood. Again, all the front suspension's new. You can see it's finished in a gold metallic, which we're getting the sun out a little bit to peek on it. And then it's got the black vinyl interior. Neat car. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. As you walk around, you're going to see some little stone packs, some little things like that in the paint. New bumpers. I apologize, I got the picture shot and then we got some cars in, so unfortunately this thing's been sitting out here a little bit. Right there. Again, another little touch-up mark you can see right there. Glass is nice. I think you just put this front windshield in it. You can see the side, the glass is tinted glass. Trim's nice. Good looking car, man. Nickname this car Goldie, as you'll see in his receipts in the trunk. Taillight bezels are real nice. You can see this rear tail panel's really nice. You see, yeah, I know there's a little stone peck up there. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Those are actually 16-inch Magnum 500s with BG Goodrich Traction TAs, which will probably spin here because they're wet when we run it down the road. Does have air shocks in the rear. You can see the little nozzle. New wheels. Brand new front disc brakes. The front suspension's all brand new. Dual chrome mirrors. It's got the dual fender mount turn signals. This is a it's a factory H code 3D3 car, okay, but this is actually a 70 date coded 3D3 in here that he's warmed up a little bit, little cam to it. Again, guys, there's only a couple hundred miles on it. Brand new Holley dual feed 4-barrel Weiand intake. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds. Mopar radiator with a shroud. You can see he loves his little stickers. Drives me nuts with those. I think we have a laugh about it every time I see him. MSD Digital 6AL ignition. Brand new power steering box and everything. Brand new power front disc brakes. The wipers need to be clocked. Matter of fact, I unplugged them so somebody doesn't accidentally turn them on and scratch the paint. I'll have John take a look at that and make sure we get those corrected. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. You see it's detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Just a nice little cam to it. Nothing crazy. Those look new dual chrome mirrors. A-pillar chrome's really nice. Those are definitely the original door handles. Door seams are nice and clean. I changed the carpet. If you saw the original pictures coming in, it had a, in fact, we've gotten it all dusty. It had a brown, or like a brownish, goldish carpet in it. I did not like that, so thanks to Don at DNA, it has all brand new black carpet in it. Seat belts are in it. Headliner looks good. It's got the factory bucket seats, stock dash with aftermarket tach and some aftermarket gauges underneath there. 8660 or 86606 is the original miles on the car. Again, there's just a couple hundred miles on the actual drivetrain. So there's going to be, you know, like I always tell people, there's going to be some shakedown. Like I say, 727, brand new dual exhaust. It has a brand new 391 8 3/4 sure grip rear end. This is something, as you can see, he gives you all the receipts. Something that over the years people have really liked. He just keeps all this kind of stuff. So all the receipts, but as you go through here, he keeps and he tapes all this stuff in here. All, you know, if you need a new belt, whatever you need, he keeps all this stuff with the car, which is cool. It's all body color in here. There is a spare in here. I can do this without shutting the doggone thing off. It's clean underneath. Again, that front suspension's all brand new. Sorry, when you got gloves on, trying to do these videos is not the easiest thing in the world. Stone pack there. Dash is nice, gauges are clean, AM radio, aftermarket gauges underneath. Dual mirrors. Almost sounds like a little bit, yeah, we got a little exhaust leak, that's new. I'll check that again. Like I talked about shakedown, there'll be a little shakedown. I'll have John take a look at it, see what it is. Get a little revenue. Yeah, it might be just a collector gasket leaking. I'll have him take a look at it. Okay, nothing, slam my dang finger in there. You may have to do that, Nathan. You have to come out here and do it. Can't get it with one hand. Tach works, gauges are all functional up there, everything else is down below. You can see it's holding good oil pressure. The volt gauge is up there, that one's not hooked up down there. Again, nothing crazy, little cam to it. Sorry guys. Backup lights work. Feel like it's loading up a little bit. Might need to be just run a little bit. Plus, like I say, no on the radio. Blower motor does work. Again, we got to clock the wipers. Don't turn those on. Actually, I got them on. Oh, the fender mount turn signals work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a video. Hey, watch your tires, Nathan. There you go. It's kind of warming up now. There you go. Tires being wet, they're going to be a little car's got a good look to it, man. Have a great day, guys.